四百好了啊！
So I'm at item here, a bit of greasy, really. Checking out this very famous yam rice with salted veggie and also bitter gourd soup. This is very nice one and very famous. Let's check out. Hello, auntie 你好。係 Jasmine 老闆你好。係。 有咩好介紹先？
個個侵任齊咯。
個個侵任齊啊！成日特別嚟啦。哦，OK OK，嚟給你們看。所以這裡是最出名啦，我只特別嗰個侵個怪哦。好的好的。兩正開咗就估啊。
暫時位8嘛。
佢哋快啦，你可能 already 開咗幾年啊？11年啦。哇，未快未快未快。9點到3點。拜幾冚？拜3冚。 Cantik. Wah, good. Kau keso. Con mới order. Tepek đi. Kopi. Điều. Hay là xem cái u sừng này con này.
Cho té. Cho Nescafe. Cho
Kopi. Milo bữa này mà hả?
我爱你啊！
我爱你咯，来这里我爱你，8號林配少配檸檬啦，แล้วก็这里冰山咯，kopi。好。Hey, today we are at item here. Ayo, checking out this Lao Wan Tong. Actually, Lao Wan Tong is very special. They are here for 11 years and now it's second generation. And the specialties here is their yam rice. They have this mix bitter gourd and also this salted veggie. Okay, has already started lah, so I haven't.
Cannot resist already.
Cannot resist, yeah. Okay. And as you can see inside the ingredient, and they have these pork slices. They have this beancurd. If for those that like to eat intestine, you can order the intestine. Where this we have also. Just now they said got the pork brain, right? You don't eat ah?
But very rare places will.
Yes. Not much
no?
places will have pork brain. And we have this meatball. Sorry, meatball.
Can refill ah?
Yeah, the 汤可以再加的噻。The soup can refill. One thing best about this.
It's like bak kut teh like that.
It's like bak kut teh like that. And then another interesting thing about their chili here. This one their home pre-mixed chili. So it's actually include this dark soy sauce, chili, and also this garlic. Something like the bak kut teh, yes. No, nice or not?
And the drink is called I Love You.
This one has other one is called I Love You. So what is I Love You? Lemon, nutmeg, and also the sour plum. Refreshing.
Right?
Hey, the soup very good though. I like the soup.
Today you see the day is quite gloomy.
The gloomy day are very suitable for this, and it's very appetizing. So good. And then I'll check out this their chili. I will try out the chili. The taste of the garlic very fresh, very flavorful, and also serve well together when it's blending with all those meat and
ingredients.
Ingredients. Yes. Oh yes, this is my favorite.
Is this hot gasai?
This is not hot gasai. This is a kopi beng.
Kopi beng.
This kopi beng is actually called ice mountain. Let me check out the drink also. Sống không? The kopi cao. The coffee is very thick, very nice.
This one is kopi
Just coffee only.
Just coffee
They have
only.
3 choices. Either you want Nescafe, they want coffee, or you want tea. But I ask for coffee because I'm hunt coffee. Wow, so nice this one. 400 liao.